Greetings, greetings, greetings. Hey, say a God run things. Say a him rule over all of the angel them and all of the spirit them. So, if a him rule over everything, where you worry yourself about? Eh? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with all of your friends. And if you don't do it yet, now at the best time, click the subscribe button and the notification bell to make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on right or so 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from the first letter from Peter, chapter 3, from verse 8 to verse 22. This are the last thing may I say yes so. The whole of you fi come together like say you are one somebody and try to understand when one another I go through. You fi love one another like our brother and sister love them one another. You must keep one another next to the heart and show how much you care for them. And you must humble yourself amongst one another too. When somebody do no something, you no fi do them back nothing. And when they cuss you out, nobody cuss them off. Instead of that, you fi ask God to bless them. Cause God call you for bless you. Like we write down in a God word, anybody we want to live for long and live happy too, they mustn't say nothing bad about nobody. And them fi tap tell lie. Them fi turn away from wickedness and do the good sitting them. And them fi try hard fi live in a peace with them one another. Cause the Lord a watch over all of the people them where live right. And him a listen to them when them pray. But him no in a nothing with the people them where do wickedness. Who a go do no nothing if you know well want do we good? Eh? But all if them make you suffer cause you know do we right. I bless you no bless. No afraid of nothing. And no worry on yourself. You fi understand say Christ Jesus are the only Lord and worship him one. And you fi always ready to answer anybody we ask you know. And women couldn't trust in a Christ Jesus so. And when you don't answer them, nobody disrespect them or force them to believe what you know say. And you fi deal with them good too. So you no end up feel guilty. That way there, all who say all kind of wrong sitting about good behavior, cause a Christ Jesus follower, them we end up feel shame about what them did say. If do good sitting good and suffer, if I saw God say it for go, better off than if do sitting we wrong and go suffer. Cause Christ Jesus suffer and dead for the whole of we sin once and for all. One man where the hunger were right, dead for all who are sinner, for bring we to God. Them kill the body, but God make him live again in the spirit. The spirit give Jesus Christ power and him go preach to the spirit them when they in a prison. Them the spirit they are the spirit for the people them when never follow God in a Noah time. When Noah did we build the big boat, God did a wait upon them people there. How long? A only 8 of them end up going at the boat and come through the flood safe. Them flood water they come in like baptism. We save we are now. Baptism enough to wash off the body. When we baptize, it means that we conscience clear, and we make one promise to God. And that save we, because God make Jesus Christ dead and come back alive. Jesus Christ, they in heaven now, and him the side of God right hand. Him have control over all of the angel them, and the spirit them will rule and have power. And God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.